The day today is the 29th of September 2018 of our Lord Jesus Christ. And it's also my birthday, but it's just another year I've survived with like popping me clogs. But today, we are going on a supposed safari trip in Portugal. But I don't intend to see any lions or elephants, just a load of mud. So we'll see how we go on, shall we? Listen, the guy driving this bus is a fucking lunatic. Seriously. Now they'll be fury yet. But at this speed we'll be about fucking, we'll be back in England quicker. Having fun? You think so far? He's been giving cold, aren't you? Oh, he's just being soft.
Blossoms, purple blossom, morning glory. Oleander, you see, the vegetables, the olives, trees that don't need water to survive. Desertic, huh? Nobody, hard to make a living here. Everybody looks runs to the coast. Ici c'est un désertique, on n'a pas travaillé pour la coste, hôtel, restaurant, discothèque, les bars, piscine, c'est fini.
We've just stopped for a coffee break. We're in a town called, do you know what? I couldn't pronounce the side. It's Maximus von Hogelrake or something like that. Oh, hey up. Connor wants ice cream and guess who's got the euros? Yeah, me. Right, we'll head off inside and I better get Lil an ice cream, innit? Don't know if any of you saw that. I missed it. That has got to be the smallest card I've ever seen in my life. It'd be something I'd buy Kieran for Christmas. Honestly. Wait. We're back on road in a minute. Still no idea what this town's called. But it's a million miles away from where we actually started. Well, not a million obviously, you know, but exaggerating a bit there. But we've been picking thyme off trees. Some sort of fucking weird berries that get you pissed. I threw them. Can't get pissed on this truck. I might end up, I don't know where I'll end up with her. Yeah. It's a fucking different world to what I'm used to. Tell you now. Tell you now, different. That's the place we just stopped. It's like a little convenience store and a bar at the same time. Weird. How many times in my lifetime am I going to get to see this? Probably never. Right, a bit bumpy to say at least.
Aqui para o caminhão. Se quiser. Olha, é muito bonito o trator. Já não. Ah, mas você é risco nem um aço. Isto é só o tamanho, mas é como um carro. É transporte público. O câmbio e tal. Oh, um gosto de falar consigo. Muito obrigado. Ciao. Say bye bye. He's very happy with his new tractor. Who's the mechanic? No, professional, professional. Don't be scared, people. I do this for 20 years. And it's not my car. If he breaks, you push, I drive. No, ladies drive. Say no, no, pas mon autobus.
Tell you what, this guy was throwing this bus round the tightest of turns I've ever fucking seen in my life. And at one point, we're about a fucking 100 foot drop at the fucking side. But hey, I'm still here. Bit bumpy, like. Bit bumpy, I think I've got fucking piles there. Raffaello.
What? Who we found? Raphael. Did you see turtle on it? Did you see?
Yeah, I got the turtle. This turtle here is rafted with turtles. I mean, it's pond. Once you get me confused, then.
It's like a big one and a baby one behind it.
Yeah, I see it there. You might be able to see it. I'll zoom in on it.
I know. Nick, you see this baby one behind this big one?
There you go.
Oh, it's gone underneath it. Oh, it's gone back down now.
And it's gone.
Pick the berries, la madame, because they're very sensible, very soft, muito sensível. The berry is very sensible. Onde está o pauzinho, Dona Maria? He needs gentle hands. It's a very soft berry. Muito sensível. He needs madame, la mão de madame. Yes. The men have the hard part of the job. See, they sit over there, drinking old stuff. He's a boy.
Oh dear.
The men have the hard part of the job. They stay drinking the old stuff to make space for the new stuff. Very important. Somebody has to do it. In the old generations. Olha, so, le madame, travailler, le monsieur, parlar, le negócio, per le temps, grand pour un autre, uma francesa, catastrophe. Tu comprends, hein? La madame travailler, le monsieur...
Non, mais compris, là.
Compris? C'est traditionnel. Ai, meu Deus. Okay, the fruit.
Look at your pocket.
The fruit.
Nice little tour, isn't it?
I think this is the better than the other one.
See that right? In the middle of nowhere. And there's like what I can only describe as a cut off fabric conditioner bottle stuck on top of a fucking tree. Oh well, hey. Well, it just goes to show no matter where in the world you are, we're all the fucking same. Just left the kind of vineyard off back out now. Gotta say, it has been spectacular views. Seriously. See it? Let's go safaris and 2 lions. Yeah. I think it's been a bit much for someone, don't you? It's only 6:05, got it. Kieran, got it, Kieran.
Watch the river.
Well, where are we? Whoop. Whereabouts are we? I don't actually know. But we stopped now and we're going to stop for about 40 minutes apparently. That's quite deep. You can't see how deep it is through the camera, but you know. Coming through there and down there. That is deep. That, I'm telling you, that is about 5 foot deep.
Shut up.
Let's see if we can have a look down here. Listen, I can't go all the way down because there's water down here. Not this side, I'm not. Not this side, I'll have to walk on water. And I'm not Jesus Christ. Ow. Some kind of rock pool. I presume it's self-sustaining from all that up there. Especially when it rains.
No, don't step out.
And no fucking old Coke cans or old tyres or boats inside, is there? Not like the Saddleworth Canal.